everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be working on the triple crochet. I already have some here on my work so that you can see what we're going to be working on, and let's go ahead and get started. So similar to our other stitches, you're going to find the hole where you need to put your stitch. It's going to be under both sides of the little V's here. For the triple crochet, you're going to yarn over, but you're going to yarn over twice. So you see I wrapped that around the hook 2 times there before I enter the hole. So now I'm going to take my hook with the 2 wrapped around, and I'm going to insert my hook in the next stitch. I'm going to yarn over like I do for the other ones. And now you'll see I have 4 loops on my hook. For the triple crochet, I'm going to yarn over and go through 2. I'm going to yarn over and go through 2 more, and I'm going to yarn over and go through the last 2. So you'll see I do that 3 times. So let's do that again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 4. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So you'll see they all have some similarities, but then just a few differences. And you can see this one is a really tall stitch. Lots of good things you can do with this stitch. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So when you're looking at your pattern, you'll do this whenever it calls for a triple crochet. It could be abbreviated a couple of different ways. I've seen it TR for triple. I've seen it TC for triple crochet. So it just depends on how your pattern reads. But when you see that, this is the stitch that you're going to do. If you have any questions or need any further instructions or assistance, please feel free to leave a comment down below, and I hope this is helpful. Have a great day, everyone.